Ants are eusocial insects of the family Formicidae and, along with the related wasps and bees, belong to the order Hymenoptera. Ants evolved from wasp-like ancestors in the mid-Cretaceous period between 110 and 130 million years ago and diversified after the rise of flowering plants. They are easily identified by their elbowed antennae and the distinctive node-like structure that forms their slender waists.
Ants form colonies that range in size from a few dozen predatory individuals living in small natural cavities to highly organized colonies that may occupy large territories and consist of millions of individuals. Larger colonies consist mostly of sterile, wingless females forming castes of workers, soldiers, or other specialized groups. Nearly all ant colonies also have some fertile males called drones and one or more fertile females called queens.
Ants have colonized almost every landmass on Earth. The only places lacking indigenous ants are Antarctica and a few remote or inhospitable islands. Ant societies have division of labor, communication between individuals, and an ability to solve complex problems. These parallels with human societies have long been an inspiration and subject of study.
Many human cultures make use of ants in cuisine, medication, and rituals. Ants occupy a wide range of ecological niches, and are able to exploit a wide range of food resources either as direct or indirect herbivores, predators, and scavengers. Ants range in size from 0.75 to 52 mm, the largest species being the fossil Titanium ermagigantum, the queen of which was 6 cm long with a wingspan of 15 cm.
Ants vary in color. Most ants are red or black, but a few species are green and some tropical species have a metallic luster. Like other insects, ants have an exoskeleton, an external covering that provides a protective casing around the body and a point of attachment for muscles, in contrast to the internal skeletons of humans and other vertebrates. Insects do not have lungs. Oxygen and other gases, such as carbon dioxide, pass through their exoskeleton via tiny valves called spiracles.
Insects also lack closed blood vessels. Instead, they have a long, thin, perforated tube along the top of the body that functions like a heart, and pumps hemolymph toward the head, thus driving the circulation of the internal fluids. The nervous system consists of a ventral nerve cord that runs the length of the body, with several ganglia and branches along the way reaching into the extremities of the appendages. An ant's head contains many sensory organs. Like most insects, ants have compound eyes made from numerous tiny lenses attached together.
Ant eyes are good for acute movement detection, but do not offer a high-resolution image. All 6 legs are attached to the mesosoma, thorax, and terminate in a hooked claw. Only reproductive ants, queens, and males, have wings. A wide range of reproductive strategies have been noted in ant species. Females of many species are known to be capable of reproducing asexually through pheritocous parthenogenesis.
Most ants are univoltine, producing a new generation each year. Ants communicate with each other using pheromones, sounds, and touch. Like other insects, ants perceive smells with their long, thin, and mobile antennae.
Ants use pheromones for more than just making trails. A crushed ant emits an alarm pheromone that sends nearby ants into an attack frenzy and attracts more ants from farther away. Several ant species even use propaganda pheromones to confuse enemy ants and make them fight among themselves. Ants attack and defend themselves by biting ants, in many species, by stinging, often injecting or spraying chemicals, such as formic acid in the case of formicimans, alkaloids and piperidines in fire ants, and a variety of protein components in other ants.
The sting of jackjumper ants can be fatal. Many animals can learn behaviors by imitation, but ants may be the only group apart from mammals where interactive teaching has been observed. Most ants are generalist predators, scavengers, and indirect herbivores, but a few have evolved specialized ways of obtaining nutrition.